Welcome back to A Timeless Voyage. In the United States, the month of June is a time of celebration and battles for justice, fairness, and the freedom to marry for all. While June of 2015 marks the U.S. Supreme Court ruling in favor of same-sex marriage, June of 1967 is the month that Mildred Loving triumphed in her fight for equality against anti-miscegenation laws that banned mixed-race marriage. In a 2007 interview, Mildred Loving says, "I am proud that Richards and my name is on a court case that can help reinforce the love, the commitment, the fairness, and the family that so many people, black or white, young or old, gay or straight, seek in life. I support the freedom to marry for all. That's what loving and loving are all about." In August of 1958, Mildred Jeter, an African-American woman, and Richard Loving, a white man, were married in the District of Columbia pursuant to its laws. The Lovings returned to Virginia and settled home in Caroline County. Mildred Loving's resourcefulness and tenacity led her through a legal battle with the assistance of the American Civil Liberties Union. The law in question is Virginia's Racial Integrity Act of 1924, that states in one of many provisions, "It shall hereafter be unlawful for any white person in this state to marry any save a white person or a person with no other admixture of blood than white." On at least two different occasions, Virginia police entered the Lovings' home and arrested the couple in violation of the act. Mr. Loving pointed to the wall where the couple had hung their marriage certificate. "That's no good here," Sheriff Brooks replied. Mildred Loving was 4 months pregnant during her first arrest as the couple spent nights in jail.
It was about 2 a.m. And I saw this light, and I woke up and it was the policeman standing beside the bed. And he told us to get up, that we was under arrest.
At the October term, 1958, a grand jury issued an indictment charging the Lovings with violating Virginia's ban on interracial marriages. Mildred Loving wrote to Attorney General Robert Kennedy after receiving order of time in prison and to vacate the state for 25 years. Kennedy disregarded her plea, suggesting that, if she was unhappy with the decision, that she could try to fight it in court. This led Miss Loving to contact the ACLU attorney Bernard Cohen. On June 12, 1967, the United States Supreme Court ruled unanimously that laws barring racial intermarriage in Virginia and 15 other states were unconstitutional. The activism of Mildred Loving has left a lasting impact on the United States. Supreme Court Justice Alito shared in his dissent in Windsor 2013, "The fact that the same arguments used to defend miscegenation laws are being invoked to justify bans on same-sex marriage suggests that such bans are inherently suspect and probably unconstitutional." It wouldn't be until October of 2019 that federal courts would rule that requiring Virginia marriage license applicants to disclose race is unconstitutional. The Lovings demonstrated that unconditional love is worth fighting for.